Finding the correct height for your walking cane is important for proper walking support. Walking with a cane at an improper length can lead to aches and pains. It is best to have your physician or other healthcare professional help fit you with your cane. When you measure for and adjust the height of the cane, make sure that the shoes you are wearing are the same height as the shoes you will wear most often while using the cane. Stand up straight on a hard, flat surface and let your arms hang down loosely at your side. Usually, the cane is used on the opposite side of the injury, but in some cases it is the same. Adjust the height of the cane so that the top portion of the handle touches the inside of the wrist at the palm. Your elbow should have a 15 to 20 degree bend to it when using the cane. Most canes have an anti-rattle collar. Turn the anti-rattle collar counterclockwise to loosen. Press the push button. Slide the lower tube extension up or down until the snap button pushes through the adjustment hole completely at the correct height. You will hear a click. If you cannot see the push button completely, the cane height is not secure. Tighten the anti-rattle collar by turning it clockwise. Walking the correct way with your cane is important. For the majority of injuries, such as a broken leg or hip, a cane should be used in the opposite hand to the injury. It is recommended to walk so that the cane and the opposite foot touch the ground at the same time. Walking with a cane in this manner helps to keep a better gait. Walking with a cane helps to exercise the recovering muscles while still allowing for weight reduction on the injury. The goal is to keep your shoulder and hips in alignment to avoid any further injuries or wear or tear on your joints. There are cases where walking with a cane on the same side of an injury or weakness is correct. If you have a muscular or nerve problem whereby the muscles just stop working properly in mid-step or without warning, then a cane becomes a tool to catch your step or stop you from falling over. It is best to discuss your situation with a knowledgeable professional to determine the best way for you to walk with a cane.